finish. Ding, 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 ding.
And bad man is a everything.
And the word in me, I look
That's why I said, why not? I take no
over.
watch it from here.
I don't even know that. Oh. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev. Welcome to CHEVMAS.
We have some special guests.
Chanel, follow my social.
Yes, sir. Special guest, Rochelle.
Chanel, for me some.
Follow my social when you find it.
She going to put it down below.
I'll put their socials on the screen or down below.
Alright, so today's video, we're doing a Q&A. I'm going to be asking them some questions, and we're going to see who knows me best, okay? We're going to get one refreshment from...
Refresher smoothie.
Right,
The one
get
that
one refreshers.
Yeah.
One, something there.
What's
The crumble, something from Cafe Blue, guys.
Okay, so Chanel wants Cafe Blue Crumble. What do you want, Rochelle? But then let me get. Me just want wait. Okay.
Alright, so without further ado, let's get into today's video. Alright, so first question.
What is my dream wedding color? What is it? What? Lavender?
Some purple of in that. Lavender purple, yeah. And
white.
No, some can't mix lavender with white, girl.
White can't do white.
That not
I think it was like a. If I'm not teals, I want like a
creamish.
ding ding ding. Turquoise, lavender,
Turquoise.
yes, and turquoise.
You know that
Jesus Christ. It's
you know, I said, me love the combination of
lavender
people.
and turquoise.
It me did what?
I'll put it on the screen and show you guys. It's like a peacock.
You know, yeah,
Peacock color.
that is very cute. So when I win, we get half mark.
You get half mark. Rochelle did say Rochelle. Well, you said purple. Rochelle said lavender. I did say
She said
lavender.
lavender.
Okay, say lavender, and I did say teal. Right. So half mark. Rochelle kind of get full mark because she said lavender and teal. So Rochelle, I'll give you. Yeah, it's lavender and teal. And
It's turquoise.
Turquoise.
Is that one thing?
It's close.
No.
Bad man is a hell of a thing.
Turquoise and teal is not the same.
It's close. Where is my dream vacation?
You know what?
Dream vacation.
I want to place the name again. It starts with the M.
Amazing, no? Well,
And Maldives.
dun. So keep going. I mean, we're not Dubai. No, sir.
St. Martin.
No, sir.
Girl, I'm Maldives we did talk about one night time.
Alright, so Bora Bora.
And the word of me I look
That's why I'm
for.
gonna tell you, say keep going.
And the word of me I look for.
Bora Bora. That is my dream.
Don't forget that wrong. Maldives, Bora Bora.
So,
What them the kind of the same place?
do I give you a point?
No!
No!
I forget it off.
Don't get that.
I forget it off. They literally they beside each other.
Beside each other and be the same thing. It's not the same thing. Burp. They're still. Alright, no, she don't get it.
Guys, on the system.
No. How old am I? 7. You are 30. You want to be that age?
33.
I'm 32. I'm 32. What year did I have my first child? Murder. What? Oh, old is he now? Okay. Do you know?
You watch our video? No.
I know we all should take notes of the videos. Yes? Your heart so I know I should take notes of the videos.
Move. Move
And I come behind.
Move.
Watch it from here. That one you're hot now, you know.
Yes.
What year did I get baptized?
What? Me not even know that.
Rachel, you shouldn't really know that one.
No, me can't remember that.
Your mother never here. My mother wasn't here.
2000 and...
This is before I went to England.
$28?
2015.
I can't say.
2017.
No.
2018.
No.
2016.
Do I give the answer now? 2013. What's my biggest stress trigger?
What you say this?
Please, I'm afraid of that. I'm afraid of the answer then.
You said true?
It depends. My environment?
Yeah, environment.
Oh.
Start over my phone.
That's the biggest stress trigger?
Yeah.
Really?
I think that's something to do with them being them.
What? That too.
Our biggest stress trigger would have been something to do with our kids. Something to happen to our kids.
Right.
No,
It's
there's
true.
stress. No. Something to happen to our kids. That's what I be after the fact. Shut up or no, remember.
Oh,
Stress
things will stress
trigger.
me now. Or
Yeah.
overall, anything will stress me at all.
Yeah.
What do you mean? Cheryl, Russia, stop overthink the situation.
We're not overthinking the situation.
Yeah, overthink the situation.
Why
not? Something to do or pick them. You know that would have be? That would have be like your words.
Fear? Yeah.
Fear or yeah.
Not saying that she's wrong either, because I don't think she's wrong either.
Don't be fear.
No,
It's not right.
No. Chevelle,
That is
stress.
no.
Stop. Chevelle stress over almost every little thing when they come out traffic.
Yeah.
I am
The
telling you.
most.
If I put them missing, Chevelle is stressing. And if I put them each, and if I... Chevelle is stressing. It's not about fear. Chevelle will stress.
But me I say, right?
For me, the most thing is anything concerning our opinion. That is my answer.
Come on, for the answer.
I'm gonna give them both a point because she's most definitely right. But currently, my biggest stress trigger right now is my environment. Right at this moment. But for the most part, they're both right. So, point for the both of them. What's my biggest insecurities?
You said earlier,
man.
just stop about it.
Yes, man.
But we know what that was that.
What's that? Wait,
Oh, we're talking about this since night.
we were talking about it off camera.
She didn't hear outside. She said outside.
Openly, it is my smile.
Yeah, we're going with that.
Guys, may I work hard for my crumble.
Just that.
What's something I care about way more than I should? What people say.
Yeah, people thought.
My gosh. Wow.
For real, like, no, sir. You need for change.
Me never expect you to tell that one else. Me didn't expect you to tell me
No,
that.
me know. I think back with the question when you're saying.
Me didn't really. Me never expect her to say that. Me didn't expect that from you, but Jesus.
No, because it's obvious, not an obvious thing.
Not no ball. That's literally.
And you have to stop it.
No man look her like genuinely. Oh, for sure. Privacy.
No, son. Oh. Is it emotion? What do you call that now? Attitude.
Me never knew said it was that bad.
It's bad, Sherry.
I didn't know it was that bad.
It's bad.
It's bad.
It's bad. Only that people outside wouldn't know that. It's only who close to you.
Yeah.
Do you? Oh, shit.
I tripped your friend over that.
No? Suzanne will cheer up there. Okay. Yeah.
Who do I get annoyed with the fastest out of the two of you?
Chanel. So, why would you switch out the question? Guys, that do not.
No, it was supposed that was
No, you know what?
was supposed
You know what?
You have finished it.
Let it be a question
No, the
before she
question-
get the question. Then before the next question is done.
No, the question was supposed to be
So you're not supposed to say wait. Before me blur it out.
because you know when you process something in your mind like you say it already,
Yeah.
but you never say it, so I didn't say it. But when I hear
No, you know.
when I heard you say my kids, I was like, oh, I didn't finish.
What?
No, you know, like how you have a question in your head, and you have something to say in your head. You say it now, but you think you're clear, but you're not clear to the person who you're speaking to. So when she asked the question, and she automatically knows say we shall
Oh
talk,
no, me a talk.
but we don't know say we shall talk. I went to the next way answer me
Because when you
already.
said my kids, I was like, no.
But then she said, oh no, and then me said, oh, okay, you.
Oh, it's my baby. What's the answer, Chanel?
Don't ask me no. Don't ask me.
Then I get more trouble than me.
Chanel, get talking, man. This is something I'm low-key dramatic about. Why?
Okay, drama.
Yeah, something that I'm dramatic about, but it's not like loud. Of course. So to know what dramatic about it. No one there.
No.
Actually,
If you're feeling bucket, but then to me see a ball. Like if them super something happen to them, like super something when if they lick their hair, them hand or whatever, you just ball.
Oh, you come with that friend, babe. Oh my god. I'm sorry.
something for doing that picking them.
Yeah, that's what I say.
Something have for doing that picking them.
And sometimes it's something simple.
Yeah,
But then
you
so
understand? Yeah.
That's not true. We not do all of that.
No, that no.
No, you're dramatic. You're dramatic. So I'm not doing all of that. I do, right? That's yeah, my kids. Anything content, I'm Lad, you're not saying nothing about my husband, lad. You're not fall no way.
No, because you're not dramatic about your husband.
Am I not?
Not in a way, in a bad way. It's always good. So
That's why
about that part.
you realize my answer
Right.
if it's in a good way or a bad way. Cause if it was a good way, no, would I talk about him?
There is
Because she really dramatic about it.
and it's
But
not
me I say, that's why I'm asking the question,
Yeah.
is it in a good way or a bad way?
First of all, you're not dramatic. You are overly excited in the right way, the right amount of what it needs to be for your
She does
husband.
exaggerate. She does love to exaggerate, to be honest.
I don't know what you exaggerate about with your husband. And your husband is just a natural. You know?
Yeah, so if it's a good way, guys, it's our husband. If it's within a bad way, our kids do.
How long have I been married?
You know, we don't like to give it.
Which?
Oh,
What
let
did
me
you
guess it.
say?
Let me guess it.
Yeah, 3 years?
No.
Why? You don't know that?
No, I know when you're married.
No. Alright. Alright, how long have I been married?
6.
Russia?
No, probably.
Come like you're married just a while ago.
Rochelle, you were the maid of honor who held my back when the
Russia really has surprised me with certain things.
Rochelle,
I tell you, my brain there, me no remember half of
You're trying to make it come in. You're trying to make it there.
I've been married for 5 years, going on 6.
Yeah, cause
I got married in 2020.
You don't get married.
I got married in March 2020. the week COVID came, the day COVID, they shut down Jamaica.
When Jamil born?
Jamil born July 2020. Jamil and my marriage are the same age. What mood am I in most of the time?
I'm sad mood.
Worship. Shit's so big. I'm in a sad mood all the time. But every time I'm prayerful.
Shall I'm in a sad mood all the time?
All the time?
Do you know that I'm actually better now than I have ever been?
That's very good.
But as Rochelle would say, I don't think it's sad. I just think a lot is probably happening. That maybe because when I talk about it, it comes out like I'm sad, but not necessarily sad. Should I say I'm sad all the time?
Don't just sit around me. Man, I should have said you that's like a different.
What's something that instantly puts me in a bad mood?
If your husband says something with I don't.
Where's it, Anna? You know? Rachel, what you know that answer?
Even if I know your husband, it can be somebody. They just say something.
That I was going to say somebody says something.
Somebody says something and it just sound off or it come off disrespectful. Even if it's not towards you, but this is towards somebody that you love. Yeah, instantly going in a bad mood. A matter of fact, you're just going in a bad mood. You're going in a attack mode. Yeah.
Ouch.
What do you say ouch for a good something?
Me not fight them. Me not say no, me just say ouch. What's my go-to excuse when I don't want to go somewhere?
Yeah, I've seen it too when the kids say.
That, but she was like, well, I'm not gonna ask for us.
No, that's how when she asks you.
Okay,
That wouldn't be an excuse. Then the answer was one.
I think she ain't giving an answer. She can answer husband. But let's go with the kids.
So you guys think my excuse is the kid? I don't even know.
Say I twist on it.
I don't even think I have a go-to excuse.
Trust me that.
That's alright. Are you just? I don't think you have an excuse.
Listen, say
You may just come out and say.
I'm just
like
learning about me through you guys.
You're not more for say.
You don't know what
I don't feel
question they ask. Don't the answer.
No.
Should we say? I just don't feel like.
What do you mean? And you know which
Actually, just up and say no.
on YouTube.
You learn me through from full perspective. Yeah.
That's all like you really run so many questions. Yeah.
No, sir. I just asked her one day because I really want to say what were you gonna say? Like, is that really something that I really say?
So
Suppose the two I want to say the same thing, and I was like, oh, I really do that?
But the two always say your kids them, so when I get that.
What do I need more of right now? Rest, money, time, or help?
Rest, money.
Time or help. Or vacation.
Time. Maybe by time.
More
Yeah, I
time.
want to help.
More time.
You don't want no time.
More time for what?
More time to do anything. More time to
When I say I
have a
need
lot-
more rest,
More rest.
Yeah, I agree.
you definitely need rest.
Why is
You
it?
said more money, more
More
time.
money, more time.
help?
Or more help.
You want
More
rest and money.
Help in what form?
Alright, well, in this case, it would be family.
Help with your family?
With the kids. Yeah. Cleaning, washing.
When you have the money, you would pay for take care of it. So she need rest and money.
Right, go with the answer there. Because logic.
Or should I for?
She don't get that enough. She'll go with me.
Alright, the first person who answers. Where's it, Rochelle?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
So,
Logic.
yeah.
You need rest. And in order to get the rest, you need money to pay somebody to take care of the nobody and get the rest.
Yeah.
So logic.
In that order.
Yeah.
What's my toxic traits?
You have toxic trait?
Right.
But I don't know about that. So if you have a type with something, a different thing now.
No, I was saying that it tied into the
tie back to when people say something to show spiral into a downward.
Yeah, but
that's
that's
what I'm saying.
not toxic.
It's a toxic trait because it will lead you to depression. Because you spiral downwards into our thoughts.
So I'm mad for got turn depression and people die.
Me?
That's the thing. It's
Yeah,
not
you don't have nothing toxic.
It's a toxic trait.
Yeah, overthinking.
No, anytime
Yeah, overthink. Like, bad night.
How much time I say overthink?
Get away!
Guys, comment down below. Make one know the similarities for toxic. And
You only think
and
of
let me
it
know
one way, ma'am.
What do I complain about the most?
why the whole of them questions.
Yeah, my headache. Yeah, my migraine.
She's so much time.
Eh?
That make you so laugh, so me just say it.
Eh? No, yeah, my migraine.
What you say? What's Christian?
What do I complain about the most? You can't tell a couple.
You complain about your migraine all the time?
Much shorter time.
That is not your complaint.
What is my complaint?
You moving out of that damn house. Oh, but you rarely talk about migraines.
And we know what people, man.
Me I say round me, round me.
Yeah,
You rarely talk about migraine.
You never hear me say I have headaches?
Me say you rarely.
Okay.
I never say, never say.
Mm-hmm.
But me say you rarely. And me earn that crowd.
Look here, let me tell you something.
Guys, me earn that drink. Tell me down below if you don't think me earn. It's a drink. Tell me down below if you don't think me earn the drink. Make me know, guys.
You fight Russia feet though. You fight.
No. Guys, thank you for sticking with us. Who do you think knows me best? Based on their answer, based on this video, who do you think knows me best? At this moment, I can't calculate.
You're not looking at calculate.
I wasn't keeping track.
She's not, girl.
I wasn't keeping track.
I kept track. I was in one.
Guys.
Yeah. Alright, but thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't be stingy. Sharing is caring. I can
Make
share
sure not
only
share
as
to your-
Right.
Make sure not share
Share and watch.
on a family members.
Yes.
On a dog, on a cat, on a puss, on a mouse, everybody.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yes.
And the butterfly.
Share the video, guys. Don't be stingy. Like, it not take on nothing, you know, I'll on a story on a WhatsApp status. Like, come on, man. Make the girl get bigger.
One chef on the app.
Sure.
One that's so chef.
Yes.
You know what you should ask on YouTube question and close out the video?
What YouTube question?
I don't know. Watch your video. Something about your channel. Like, based on your video, then you post.
Chanel.
She know I'm show me after she know she'll go in. She know she'll get answer, right? That's what she want me to ask.
Yeah.
Guys,
no.
Wait, when this session bias,
Wait now.
when this is certain things
Wait,
that
no.
bias, don't come ask me.
When did I start my
Don't come ask me when
When did I
they start their YouTube.
When did I
Sit down back, man. Go ahead.
When did I
Guys,
start my YouTube
peace
channel?
out.